Ini masuk. Oh. Coba aku.
Wish it was easy every day. I'd like that better. Wish you'd forgotten what to say. That's not your kind. So I pick apart my time, never asking why. I'm always in so many pieces and it's my fault. Get along, little doggy, get along with me. Ooh, it's time you face the fact that you can't remember the in-between. So I pick apart my time, never asking why. I'm always in a million pieces and I don't want to admit it's always what I get, and I don't wanna take the blame, but it's my fault. Said I would never be alone, only ask what's good for me.
Student ini mas doing research degree. Berapa bulan stay?
Stay 2 bulan.
2 bulan.
Selama 2 bulan sini.
Okay.
Jadi kami buat research tentang kampung ni. Kami ada civika.
Okay.
Kami kaji banyak lah sini. About dia demografi, sosioekonomi, cultural.
So balance baki hari berapa hari?
Masa tinggal seminggu sebulan lagi.
Sebulan lagi lah.
Akan keluar hujung bulan 8 ni, 31. Sini ada line.
Sini ada line accept. Low lah, but squad oh.
Pun kurang. Ya,
Kasih okay. Kita enjoy view first.
View
Let's
sini
go.
memang cantik.
Yeah, view sangat awesome. From Singapore. Photo. You guys from? Singapore. No, this is video. So you can take it.
Welcome. Next time you come, we bring you to the boat. Barbecue on the boat.
Alright guys, alright.
Every year they organize this run here. You should join. My trail run.
Runner. Oh, runner.
Oh. Adab duduk geng adab. Google tu cek metok. Boleh kah?
Maximum lot, rich maximum lot.
Tree house.
This is tree house.
Ya, kami backflip, okay?
No!
Di situ banyak tree house.
Oh my god, don't even move, man.
Then how am I supposed to take your picture? Gotta understand me. Are you ready?
Oh my god.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 1 more. Okay. Another. Oh shit. Ay, belum habis
Di
gi.
situ ada banyak tree house untuk nangkap
Another
view.
one.
A lot of view. Okay, Zee, Lam. Coba cerita lagi, Lam.
Right, nice view kat situ. Nang kaca, you guys should go here.
Yes. Kita lagi.
Gaya
Chicken.
Pandai.
Cakap lah.
cakap lah.
Good. Yeah, 很好 You come, you know the talk very good, very happy.
Tadi saya cakap dia. Lain kali kamu datang, saya bawa kamu pusing-pusing. Sama saya. Kita orang datang dia cakap. Dia cakap dia mau bawa.
Ya. Okay, paham. So how I mean like how you guys get this? I mean this info to get here.
Kawannya.
Oh,
Of course we know. We are very experienced people. Wow! We look at the mountain, we know where is the village, where is the animal. We go there. Village there. 当然 This is very chicken feed. Experience hiker. Oh, we go out hiking. Big table, small thing. Very experienced. We listen to the wind blow. We know where go waterfall.
aku rasa YouTube paling banyak stop.
Aku dah tahu.
Ya.
Very experienced hiker. Experience.
Bye.
You stay there.
Hello.
Oh yeah. Oh, I see.
你什么？照相。
Internship.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
See you around. Thanks.
Supporting people around the world. Yes, everywhere.
You just need to
Yes.
explore.
Now it's time for us to be heading to waterfall.
Waterfall.
Okay. See you guys. Oh. Come on. Perjalanan kita, trip kita Rito, kita ke rumah Uncle Bungai first. Afterwards, kita jalan sekeliling rumahnya, tengah view. And then, we're heading to tempat singan boat. Then, we arrive this waterfall. InsyaAllah.
Second year, coming second year lah.
Hi.
I mean next semester second year lah.
Bro. Semua macam wall. Alright guys, actually untuk Kampung Sting nya ada dua waterfall. Now yang tadi adalah yang first, now adalah yang second. Second tu aku akan show untuk orang macam ni. But now aku mau tunjuk untuk orang, fokus untuk orang. InsyaAllah tempat tu sangat-sangat sangat dimpun lah. Guys, okay, hit and put cinematic barrier. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
There's blood in the water, I know that it won't last. My light is brighter, and I hope that it will last. You think that it's directions, the ones you never choose. It's the way that you're facing determines if you lose. Fortunes that you made, choices that you gave, you want it.
Alright guys, kemungkinan besar suara aku si kau dengar dalam tu. But anak tuai rumah orang kampung dah beri kami orang green light mandi di situ, but mesti buka kasut lah sebab tempatnya sangat licin. Dan yes, of course, risk yourself lah. Tanggungjawab tim pun ambil if anything happen. Sangat berhati-hati masa turun dan naik. Tapi once orang dah sampai situ, orang akan rasa benda yang rugi untuk orang si mandi. Aku akan keep repeating benda yang sama. Aku akan mana enjoy saja. Sangat best, recommended 100%. Mun orang luar daripada Singapura saja datang ke tempat tu, apatah kita orang yang local. Okay, aku suggest seriously, it's our hometown, bro. We are local, we are Sarawak, we are from here. We're supposed to conquer this place. I mean, we're supposed to visit this place. Yes, of course, orang pergi jauh-jauh, tapi try see your own place first. Okay, now enjoy.
I am like the sun, ordering no one, you got it. And I love you until we get by. And I love you till we get by. It's only when you want to bear me all your fruit. It's a labor of love, and honey, I choose you. And I'm picking up the pieces, the ones that we don't have.
Dan yang paling best adalah tempat tu sedapnya masak air kopi dalam bulo, and then masak ikan fresh yang baru tangkap pagi tadi dalam bulo, and then masak nasi dalam bulo. Rasanya alhamdulillah, masya-Allah, sangat nyaman. And then yang paling best, geng yang aku pergi kali tu. Dah, jap minum dulu. Geng dengan aku pergi kali tu, aku buat kenal chat dalam one day, buat sehari. Alhamdulillah, sidaknya invite aku pergi ke situ. Seriously, yang pun view trail sangat mudah. Viewnya Masya Allah awesome. Can beat jangka waterfall. Aku jamin lah, for those yang nak pergi jangka waterfall, try di Bengoh Dam, Kampung Sting tu, try tu orang. Kita orang boleh bermalam esok, kita orang boleh pergi by a day. Trust me, sangat-sangat best. Coba cerita pengalaman apa?
Trip yang best, yang puas hati. You will not regret this trip. You're gonna enjoy really well. Right? Get here, feel the nature. Gonna enjoy it, man. Peace out.
Kita Farah. Farah, please. Farah. Be part of it.
What should I say?
I don't know. Just tell them about how you feel. Your feeling, eh?
It's worth it. It's worth it. Like seriously.
Jaja. See? Yang mana worth it only, but sangat-sangat yang habis. Best ah. You guys should come here. Farah, say lah something.
Yeah, sometimes you need to unwind yourself, then you better come here so you can continue your work.
Okay. Alright gang. See you next time.